Was it in Tahiti? Were we on the island? Long, long ago, saying our son, I recall that I saw your smile.
I must say the other night when you brought me in, I hadn't seen him in, at least 15 or 20 years. I was shocked. I mean, I was just stunned that I didn't know it was the same person because he has changed so much. And it made me very sad, actually. But the moment he talked and sang, and of course played his trumpet, well then it just all came back as sort of a wonderful image again. And then I just forgot about the age and the change of his looks, because he sounded so boyish and innocent, and the same old thing again. It was wonderful. He just said, "Goodbye, Bill. It's great seeing you." And I thought, and he just kept looking, and I thought, God, it's probably gonna be the last time I'll ever see him. It was a very sad feeling. I hope it's not true. Now, after all these years, I don't know what he must think. I hope it makes him happy.
Almost blue, almost doing things we used to do. There's a girl here and she's almost you. Almost. All the things you promised with your eyes, I see in hers too. Now your eyes are red from crying. Almost through. Flirting with this disaster became me. It named me as a fool who only aimed to be almost blue. Almost touching it will almost do. There's a part of me that's always true, always. All the things that you promised with your eyes, I see in hers too. Now your eyes are red from crying. Almost you. Almost me. Almost blue. Thank you. Thank you.